What's up, YouTube folks? So, Happy New Year to all my followers and all those who like my videos out there from all around the world. So, it has been a while since I made a video about my DIY hot rod cycle kart, hot rod style or hot kart project. And you know, I made a lot of videos, especially when I was doing that wheels space here on the rear part of the bodywork, and since I was doing the new suspension, I don't know if I uploaded already this motorcycle suspension I used, combination shock and springs, and I made that engine and transmission and everything unit here on the front. So last time we finished everything almost, and we wanted to try it. It was at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. in the night. Yeah. And you know, I drove about 100 meters and about 60. Let's forget about about 100 meters I rode, and then I put the reverse gear. I even built a gear selector from the inside. I made a video about it, many videos, and I didn't put them together for YouTube. And since the last time I received an email from YouTube telling me that I'm not gonna be able to monetize my videos again, because I don't have 1,000 subscribers and I don't have about 4,000 minutes of watching in 1 month. So I decided to take off all monetization and publicity from my videos, and I cancelled even my Google AdSense account. I received in 5. I am not allowed to talk about that. No, I don't have that, so I don't care. I received the minimum amount to for 3 times 3 years in 5 years. So I have this channel about 5 years right now, and I received 3 times the minimum possible amount that YouTube can give you. You know, so you know, they asked me to monetize my videos, and then one time they took off everything. So you can kiss my ass. I don't care anymore. I am keeping it for fun. So in that time I was thinking, if I keep on going with my video making for YouTube, or I have to look for another thing like Facebook or stuff. But still, now I'm hanging on YouTube till now, so this is one of the videos. Maybe I will change later, but I don't know. So the other videos will come later. Now I'm just making a video to say everybody hi, I'm still there. Yeah. Yeah, so we tried that car, as I said, we tried it at night, and after 100 meters I put the reverse gear and it started, you know, exploding or something like that, and I really checked that later, so we saw that the chain is skipping teeth again from those pocket here, and we didn't want to break it, so we stopped the test drive. And the next day I checked it, and we found that this mount for the primary, for the transmission I made, wasn't holding enough. So yeah, that was sad, so I had to build the whole system new. I still have the old one, but I didn't want to more repairs on the other one, because it was already from many parts and stuff, so we made it straight, this one. I don't know if you can see that on the camera here. Yeah, so we made one bracket here, one other bracket from really heavy industrial steel, and 2 other brackets across them. So there is no more brackets, and the mounts that go directly to the chassis here. And there are no bottom mounts on the chassis or stuff. That I'm gonna drill holes here through the chassis, and it's gonna be bolted directly to the chassis. This one I made pretty heavy, from 5mm or 4mm metal, thickness metal, you know, it's pretty heavy. And we hope this time it will work, so I still have to make a lot of modifications. The suspension failed again. We thought everything okay, we stand only 2 minutes, we jumped and everything was okay, but once we tried it and I stopped, I checked, the wheels was again this way and I touched the body and this shouldn't be happening. So I'm gonna show you. So the suspension on the rear is gonna be remade, everything. And this one is already remade, still have to finish it. And yeah, other thing, I gave up the main lights I had because I didn't want that part here on the front. It was too big for me, I liked it like that. So that the lights are flanched inside the bowls here, or how to call them. And yeah, I'm gonna work on that, how to make them look nice and with chrome, and here I still have to work a little bit on that too. The steering works well. Yeah, the only thing, as I said, is I still have to work on is the rear suspension, redo the rear suspension and finishing this new scratch bed motor transmission mount unit. And later I'm gonna make another test drive. Before I finish those both, I'm not gonna make any test drive, because if this is finished and I drive with the rear suspension, the active rear suspension, it will fail. It will fail, and if I drive with an unfinished this one and new suspension or anything, I'm not gonna go forward. So I'm gonna work on the welds and everything, finish, and then I will test drive, I think, again. Yeah. As I said, I'm pretty sad about YouTube stuff, and I'm gonna keep you in touch. I'll show you right now how I did with the rear. So let's put this camera out of the tripod. Yep. So I made those, as you see here. So I started with the right one. I'm gonna show you that in the video. The right one was the first one. It didn't work the way I want, and still have hard times now finishing here. Still open. I don't know if you can see that here, and on the rear here. So I have to close that. But the second one, I attempted it really hard, and it was pretty nice as well, and pretty easy, and it worked pretty nice now. Here from the inside. And the other one here from the inside, you know, I have many mistakes down here. Yeah, so I'll explain that in the other video. So these four suspension stuff, and that's all bullshit. So those guys have to be to the out. Those kind of wishbones, or how to call them, have to go out to as much as possible. And yeah, maybe some spacers of 1/4 of an inch or something like this will be needed to. Still have no idea how to do that, but you know, now I have to finish the last two videos from the. Here is the hand shifter, but I'm gonna talk about that show you that in the video. I filmed already and still have to put them together. Yeah, so let me say thanks for watching again. It was a pleasure like every time, and thank you for support. No, I need no support anymore, no thumbs ups, no sharing for the videos, because I'm not monetizing that anymore. So thanks for watching again. Have a nice day and have a nice new start in the new year. So see you next time, and keep rocking, everybody.